Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 30C and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and then find the My Phone, which is at the very top of the list. Now let's scroll down and find version info and find build number. Now keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and now we can go back to the general list of the settings. Let's go down, so let's scroll down and enter the system. Scroll down again and enter developer options. And here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates, and then tap on the switcher. So from now on this option is active and your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.